Aloha, my name's Bhavani Maki, coming to you from Yoga Kauai. And today I'd like to share with you an approach to Baddha Konasana, which is one of the root asanas or postures that's so important for us all, particularly women. In this posture, we're going to work on the length of the adductors. And when the adductors are tight, it oftentimes pulls on our inner knees and it'll create all kinds of interesting aberrations that pull on our feet, which then pull on our spine. So I'd like you to place a chair and a bolster or some kind of a lift just in front of the chair horizontally. Sit on the chair, right on the edge. And the way we transition in and out of the postures is actually the posture itself. So listen carefully. So I want to unglue my arms from the side of my rib cage. So you can see where my arm is hanging. And this is natural, but in this pose, we're actually going to roll the biceps out and get this length at the back of the armpit. And I do this on both sides and find lift in my chest. Then from here, I place the soles of my feet together. And I want to be aware, are my feet pointed to one side? Is one heel pushed more towards the midline? And set my feet up as symmetrically as possible. Then from here, I traction by sliding my hips over the seat of the chair. And you can see how this pulls the flesh of my buttocks, the under part of the flesh of my buttocks back. I roll my shoulders back again. And then I use my arms to support my weight. As I slide forward a little bit more, I want to feel the underside of my thighs become heavy. Okay, so now I'm off the chair. You keep that sense of the buttocks lengthening back, bend your elbows, pause, drop your thighs, lower a little more, pause, drop your thighs, and slowly, slowly come down onto the bolster. All right. From here, I roll my shoulders back some more. Compress your heels together. And then catch your big toes. And the action of the pose is to lengthen and thin the shins and broaden the thighs. Like so, they bifurcate. Press your heels together and feel your inner thigh lengthen towards your inner knee and your inner heel lengthen towards your inner knee. Draw up through your torso, but drop your thighs simultaneously. Just hang out here. Notice the tendency to glue the arms in. This is an anxiety response. Soften your palate. And this is Baddha Konasana. To come out gently, inhale, draw your legs in and extend your beautiful legs. Baddha Konasana. Thanks for your precious time. Aloha.